back to the beginning again. So you have to keep that in mind. You know, this is not going to run through one time. It's just going to go over and over and over. So the first line of the void loop in this sketch is digital write, because we're using a digital pin, and we just want to tell the pin to turn on. In the Arduino IDE, you can think of the term high as on. So it says digital write LED pin, which we know is 13, high or on. Next line of code, really self-explanatory, delay 1000. The timing for the Arduino is in milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds is a second. I hope I got that right. I think it's milliseconds. So that delays the program for 1 second. Next line of code, digital write LED pin 13, low. Think of the low as off. So it's going to tell pin 13 to turn off. Next line of code, delay 1000. Again, it's going to delay for 1 second. Then it reaches the closing curly bracket or curly brace, which means it's going to go back to line 1. So basically, it's going to turn pin 13 on for 1 second, turn it off for 1 second. And it's going to continue to do that forever. So let's upload this to the board and see what happens. Okay, before we upload to the board, you want to go into the Tools, and you want to go to Board, and you want to make sure the right type of board is selected. We're going to be using the Desamelia. I hope I pronounced that right. So we're going to select that. The next thing you want to do is go into Tools, Serial Port, and make sure the right serial port is selected. I'm on an Intel Mac, and the right port for me is the DEV/TTY USB serial. It could be different on yours, but generally this is the way to go. Then all you have to do is click on this button right here. It says Upload to I/O board. Okay, so we uploaded to the board, and you can see the LED is now blinking on for a second, off for a second. Just want to show you, I'm going to upload that one more time. I want to show you the little LEDs start blinking. Hopefully you can see this. Transmit and receive.